Good afternoon, everybody. This question is about where is the electric field strength equals to 0. So we have to find out where do the electric field by these two charges cancel out first, right? Completely cancel out will be 0. So you look at the positive charge. For the positive charge, okay, electric field is away from it. So it is the direction of the electric field, okay? And then we look at the negative charge. For the negative charge, the electric field is moving towards it. So you observe that at these two ends, the electric field cancel each other, so they are possible to be 0. And moreover, you notice that negative Q is smaller, right? So for the electric field to be cancelled out, the position should be closer to the negative Q charge because this is weaker, so the position should be closer to it. So we should choose D, where its distance compared to that with the positive charge is shorter. So it is possible for the smaller charge to have a high enough larger electric field that can cancel the larger positive charge. So the answer is D. Thank you.